Welcome to Digital Search Base YouTube channel. Thank you much for watching. In today's video, we'll be covering on how to download VLC Player. This is especially for Windows, but you can also follow these steps to download for Mac. You open your browser, any browser of your liking, go to Google, type in VLC. Okay, one thing. Download VLC Media Player. You go to your first link. As I said, is just follow the instructions on what you want to download it for. Is it Windows, Mac, and all the other options. So in this instance, we're just going to go for VLC for Windows. Press the download button. It's going to download, so percent. Just downloading it. Once it's downloaded, you open the file. Just say yes. Then it's okay. Choose the language you want to choose. In this instance, I'm choosing English. Press OK. Read the instructions and go next. Make sure you read everything for yourself. Press next. Again, have a look at this, see which one you want to pick, and press next. And where you want to have the files to go through and install. So it's going to install everything here for you. Once it installs, I will then show you. It's going to show you how it looks like. Just give it a sec. Normally this is quite quick. There we go. And then press finish and run VLC Player. So VLC Player will run here. And then just read this, make sure that you're happy with everything. Okay. And press continue. And there you go. You got your VLC installed. And then you can choose VLC instead of another media player. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.